welcome back to The Glam Sisters. As we are filming this video on 14th Feb, that is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to you all.
In today's video, we are going to share you do's and don'ts of sheet marks. So what sheet marks is and how to use it. वो सारी information हम ये
वीडियो में
थ्रू देने वाले हैं. But before that, we'll like to say that ये हमने सारे sheet marks स्मिटन ऐप से ऑर्डर किए हैं. एंड यू गाइज नो इट. अगर आप हमारे सब्सक्राइबर हो तो आपको पता होगा कि हमने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो स्मिटन ऐप पे किया है. एंड इफ़ यू हैवंट वॉच्ड इट येट, सो अभी जाके लिंक पे आप क्लिक करके देख सकते हो, और एल्स हम डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक छोड़ देंगे, आप जाके क्लिक करके देख सकते हो. सो व्हाट स्मिटन ऐप इज़, हाउ टू यूज़ इट, लाइक हाउ टू ऑर्डर प्रोडक्ट्स, हाउ टू गेट फ्री ट्रायल प्रोडक्ट्स, ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन वो ऐप में दी हुई है. So in today's video, we not gonna share you about Smeaton app, but yeah, we are gonna tell you that we have ordered the 6
sheet
masks जो कि
from
हमने
the Smeaton app
free trial
products
order किए थे. And this is
aloe vera herbal sheet mask.
so इसका ये क्यों यूज होता है, like she'll tell you,
स्किन हाइड्रेटिंग के लिए ये यूज होता है एलो वेरा हर्बल शीट मास्क.
So this is from the brand like All Mask. All Mask का ये facial sheet mask. So this is really amazing, and yeah, this is for skin hydrating. So next we have this Neem Tulsi Turmeric, which is multi-concern sheet mask. This is also amazing sheet mask, as you can see it. So this is also from All Mask, and it helps to skin purifying, anti-acne, anti-inflammatory. So ये हमने यूज़ नहीं किया है, as you can see it, ये सील्ड है, हमने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है. So this is for skin purifying, anti-acne. तो अभी तो फिलहाल हमें anti-acne वगैरह प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, so we have not used it. So next we have this facial sheet mask from All Marks, but this is something amazing. I would like to like suggest you all. This is for multi-concern sheet mask, which is for skin lightening, skin whitening and anti-acne. And orange lemon charcoal, ये 3 products का ये sheet mask है. So this is really amazing. And Sunil will tell you about this.
So this is herbal sheet mask, rose का है, and it's for skin purifying.
So guys, ये हमने यूज़ किया है. As you can see, the seal is open, and यही आपको आगे वीडियो में पता चलेगा.
But
next is this.
Next is this lemon fruit sheet mask, skin lightening. ये भी हमने यूज़ किया है.
And the last 6th sheet mask is this argan oil fruit sheet mask. So this is also for skin hydrating. So this all 6 is for one. ये सारे मतलब एक पॉइंट के हैं.
Yeah.
This is for 1 point and this is for 1 point. ऐसे करके सारे 6 points के हमने 6 products order किए स्मिटन ऐप से. And with that amazing gifts we got as well.
You need to check the Smeaton app.
अगर अपने स्मिटन ऐप डाउनलोड अभी तक नहीं किया है तो जाके डाउनलोड करें. मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसकी लिंक भी दे दूंगी ऐप की. विद दैट आई लीव माई रेफरल कोड. आप वो डिस्प्ले भी कर दूंगी. आप इसे कोड यूज़ करके आप स्मिटन ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. आपको डाउनलोड करते समय ही ये रेफरल कोड यूज़ करना है, बाद में आप नहीं कर सकते. सो आप जब भी डाउनलोड करोगे तो ये डिस्प्ले हुआ रेफरल कोड जाके यूज़ करके इसे डाउनलोड करके आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. विद दैट आपको इसमें डिलीवरी चार्जेस लाइक व्हाट वी से ऑनलाइन पेमेंट है एंड डिलीवरी कैश ऑन डिलीवरी है. सो कैश ऑन डिलीवरी पे आपको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा अगर आपने ये रेफरल कोड यूज़ किया. सो गो एंड चेक आउट.
And we got this free products from Mamaearth.
And this is amazing, like Mamaearth
के प्रोडक्ट्स आपको पता है कितने अमेजिंग होते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑयल फ्री फेस मॉइस्चराइजर विद एप्पल साइडर विनेगर एंड
it's like what we say free trial products, so obviously छोटे ही होंगे. And with that you also get this Upton face wash. So this is also Mamaearth Upton face wash. So isn't it amazing? You are getting the branded top brand के products. So wonderful. Yeah. We are loving it. So without wasting any more time, let's
jump into our actual
video where we'll show you do's and don'ts of sheet masks.
Let's get started.
Hello guys, so here we start with our do's and don'ts.
Firstly, the important step is to prep your skin. Now, if you have wore makeup, then remove the makeup and wash it off.
Don't directly wash your face. What I did is completely wrong. Don't follow that.
Now, the next step is to cleanse your face before applying a sheet mask.
Cleansing and prepping is always important before applying anything on your face.
Now it's time for sheet mask. Now, if you have stored a mask vertically, remember to always massage to spread out the essence.
मैंने directly cut किया है, वैसे बिल्कुल मत करना. After opening the packet, do not throw off the packet.
Now gently apply the sheet mask and peel off the outer film carefully.
So don't forget to take it off. Now make sure all of the sheet mask is touching your skin, including your chin, so you don't leave any skin behind like I did.
Now leave the sheet mask for 15 to 20 minutes. Chillax but don't go to sleep while applying a sheet mask.
मैंने किया वैसे मत करना. Now gently remove the sheet mask and gently massage or pat your face. As we have kept the packet where there is extra serum left over that you can use for your face again.
Gently massage so that it will hydrate your face.
As we also have outer film, we can use that for our hands or neck, as there is also some serum left over. And then again, gently massage your skin.
And here we are doing masti. Massage, massage and massage gently. दीदी की तरह हार्शली मसाज बिल्कुल नहीं करना है, एकदम लाइटली आपको पैट करना है अपना फेस.
After sheet mask, do not wash your face. What I did is completely wrong. But if you want, you can remove excessive serum with the help of a cotton pad, just like Sonal did.
And tada, here we go.
Skin is happy and glowy.
Love the sheet mask. So as you saw the do's and don'ts of sheet mask, I have done do's and she has done don'ts.
So ये मैंने जो किया है वो फॉलो मत करना, एंड सोनल ने जो किया है
वो
फॉलो करना शीट मास्क यूज करने के टाइम. ओके, सो शीट मास्क कब यूज करना है? बेसिकली शीट मास्क इज द ऑप्शनल फॉर क्ले मास्क, लाइक क्ले मास्क ही नहीं, मास्क. So जब आप you are in a hurry, like you have to jump into a occasion, function, या आपको parties या कहीं पे भी attend करना है कुछ जल्दी से, तो this is the best I would suggest कि आप ये sheet mask लगा के 15 minutes रख के and then you are good to go. And the second option is like you have a lot of time to have chill and to have a skin care routine, तो आप ये sheet mask apply करके इसे 15 minutes रख के chill मार सकते हो. So isn't it wonderful? Like sheet mask does amazing job.
Yes.
So we will really recommend you all to try this out.
And we are also trying our best to use sheet mask.
And yeah, this is wonderful. And if you haven't used it, so use करके हमें आपके reviews भी बताना comment section में,
या फिर you can DM us on Instagram.
So here we end up our video of do's and don'ts of sheet mask. We hope that you like this video
and this video is useful for you.
And we are gonna come up with our skincare routine also. Like we have getting a lot of messages that to share our skincare routine. So
and now we are started doing skincare routine.
Yeah.
So we'll
definitely come up with our skincare routine. But before that, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to That Glam Sisters. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.